Ruskin Bond. It's a story about a monkey whose name was Toto. The Ruskin Bond's grandfather bought the monkey from a Donka driver. And the story says about the adventures of Toto. Grandfather bought Toto from a Donka driver for a sum of 5 rupees. 5 rupees he paid and bought Toto from a Donka driver. Look at the image. Donka driver means, see, it was bought with 5 rupees. Okay, 5 rupees is, in that time, the 5 rupees had big value. And look at the picture, this is Donka driver. Okay, see, look at the image, this is Donka. Okay, so the monkey was bought from a Donka driver. A Donka driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough, large container of feeding animals. He used to tie the monkey to the feeding trough. So seeing this, grandfather thought to buy, a large container. See, look at the image. This is called, see, this is where the tiny monkey was tied. Okay, that is called feeding trough. Okay, and the monkey looked so out of place there that the grandmother decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. He had a small private zoo at home, so he decided to add the monkey in his private zoo. Okay, thought of bringing the monkey home. Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep-set eyebrows, and his teeth, which were a pearly white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened life out of elderly Anglo-Indians ladies. Okay, Toto, it is a description. See, describing the monkey here. Description given about the monkey, Toto. Okay, it was very pretty. Okay, very pretty, no? Look at the image. It's very pretty. Sparkled eye, beautiful eyes with a mischief, mischief naughtiness, okay? And deep set eyebrows. See, look at the eyebrows, okay? See, how is it? Very wide open, it has deep set of eyebrows. See, open wide, okay? And see, and eyebrows, and his teeth, which were a pearly white. Okay, it was pearly white teeth he had, and often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of her. When the monkey smiles, Anglo-Indians ladies used to get frightened. A person relating to both Britain and India. Okay, they are called Anglo-Indians. You may know the persons belong to Anglo-Indians. Okay. But but his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled. Pickle, no children, achar we say. So in that we will be putting vinegar and all to preserve, correct? Yes, okay. So this is the hands, you look at his face, hands and all, pickled. After putting in the pickle, what happens to the vegetables and all? It has some wrinkling, no? See, it is preserved like, wrinkling face you have seen, no? So monkey's face, you look at the monkey's face, it will be wrinkled. Hands also will be wrinkled. See, after putting in the vinegar, it will become, there will be foldings. Okay, so that's what the author says. After putting it is just like a, see, look at the image. See, there are foldings on his face. Okay, monkey's face. Clear? Okay. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked, and his tail, while adding to his good look. Grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks. Also served as a third hand. He could use it to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of hand. See, scooping up means lifting. Okay, lifting, scooping. See, look at the image. The elephant is scooping. See, with the tail. He can hang using the tail. Okay, grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good look. Grandfather believes that tail is make the person beautiful. Okay, understand, make the animal also beautiful, and it can be acted as a third hand. Okay, see, it can hang from the tree, branches of the tree using the tail. Okay, clear, children? Grandmother always fussed when grandfather brought home some new bird or animals. First means get angry, she gets always annoyed by bringing. Grandfather is having a habit of bringing animals home, so grandmother always shows anger. So he decided to keep Toto's presence should be kept in secret from her until she was in a particular good mood. The grandfather was waiting the grandmother to have a good mood so that he can show Toto to grandmother. Okay, so he kept Toto secretly. And grandfather and I put him away in a little closet opening into my bedroom wall where he was tied securely. Also, we thought to a peg, a hook. See, peg in the image you can see nail will be there and we will be hook. You have no children. See, to the hook fastened, tie the Toto to the wall. They thought of tying Toto to the wall near others. Other means who is other? Reskin boards. Room, bedroom wall. Okay, clear? So now they are keeping the monkey secretly hiding from grandmother. Hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, we found that the wall, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. See, the grandfather decorated the room with ornaments. Decorated it. Okay, ornamental means decorated by grandfather. Now, what happened? It is naked. Everything was removed by Toto, tore everything apart. Okay, now the room is untidy. Okay, grandfather kept the monkey by mistake in that room, and what happened? Everything was removed. Decorative items was removed, and everything was naked. Okay, brick, plaster, everything was uncovered now, naked, uncovered. Okay, children? So the peg in the wall had been wrecked. Peg, the nail that they joined the fastener note, so that was broken into pieces from its socket attachment. What happened? It was broken from its attachment. It came out. Okay, and my school blazer, which had been hanging there, was in shred, cut into thin slices. It was made small pieces. Now rescue board's uniform also was spoiled. Okay, he had made it cut into thin slice. Okay, wondered what grandmother would say, but grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. His grandfather was very happy because, oh, what a good monkey, naughty monkey I had. That is what the mind of grandfather. But the reskin board was very upset what grandmother would say. That was his worry. He's clever, said grandfather. Given time, I am sure he would have tied the torn pieces of your blazer into rope and made his escape from the window. The grandfather said, if you would have given some more time to monkey would have tied your blazer to made into rope. Blazer will become rope and you would have escaped through the window. That was the mind of grandfather. It was very surprised seeing the monkey's activities. His presence in the house still a secret. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarters where a number of grandfathers' pet lived very socially means in a friendly manner together. Okay, he was having a secret place where Toto also was transferred there in the servants' quarters. Okay. There was a big cage there, but the monkey wouldn't allow any of his companions to sleep at night. So grandfather, who had to leave Dahran next day to collect his pension in the Saharanpur, decided to take him alone. Grandfather that day other animals were not allowed to sleep. the monkey was disturbing them, so the grandfather decided to take him next day to collect pension. In Saharnapur, when he was going to Saharnapur, he decided to take the monkey along with him. Unfortunately, I could not accompany grandfather on that trip. You know who is I is Ruskin board, but he told me about it afterwards. See, Ruskin board could not travel along with him, but the story was explained by grandfather. A big black canvas kit bag was provided for Toto. See, it was taken in a canvas bag, big kit bag. Okay, look at the image, you can see that this with some straw at the bottom, straw also kept at the bottom in the back. Okay, and to keep him like a home, a board means home, become his new home. This is the bag became his new home. Okay, when the bag was closed, there was no escape. See, it was closed. See, Boo was there, so it was closed, and he cannot escape from the bag. Toto could not get his hands through the opening, and the canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. See, it cannot come out because it is closed, and the canvas, the material canvas is very strong that he cannot bite his way through. Okay, he cannot come out or look out. Okay, his effort to get out only had the effort of making the bag roll about on the floor or occasionally jump into the air, an exhibition that attracted a curious crowd of onlookers on the Dehradun railway station platform. When he was in the Dehradun railway platform, we could see that there was a rolling, the bag was moving because monkey is inside, no, so it was rolling and occasionally jumps up, and all the people were looking at the bag, something is inside, all the onlookers were surprised to see what was inside the bag. Okay, remained in the bag as far as the Shaunapur, but while grandfather was producing his ticket at the railway turnstile, Toto suddenly poked his head out of the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. Children, suddenly the turnstile, turnstile means a mechanical gate consisting of revolving horizontal arms fixed to a vertical post, allowing only one person at a time to pass through. Just look at the image, that is it. Okay, turnstile means they can, and only one person can enter through that. Okay, in that place, when particular place he reached, the grandfather had to give us ticket to the ticket collector, show the ticket collector his ticket, so he has to stop, kept the bag down. Okay, he kept the bag down and he could see the ticket collector was there, and suddenly the Toto got a chance to poke his head out. He put his head out and showed himself to the ticket collector. Wide grin, once more, open wide smile he had shown, and the ticket collector was surprised to see something inside the bag. A poor man was taken aback. Taken aback means shocked. Okay, he was shocked to see something happened and something is inside the bag, but with a great presence of mind and much to grandfather's annoyance means to anger someone. See, with much he was actually shocked but not showing that grandfather's. See, he got angry to grandfather and he said, "Sir, you have a dog with you. You will have to pay for it accordingly." Okay, that was it. You have a dog with you. You will have to pay for it accordingly. See, the man was asking with anger to the grandfather to give a payment for the monkey. In vain did grandfather take Toto out of the bag. Unsuccessful attempt. He did not want to pay money for the monkey, and he took an unsuccessful attempt had made vain. Okay, tried to prove that monkey did not qualify as dog. He wanted to show that monkey is not a dog. Okay, so or even coat-rummed means an animal which has 4 feet. See, wanted to show that the monkey is out having 4 feet. Okay, it's like a dog to be paid. He grandfather just to get his own back to take revenge, feel like humiliated, so he wanted to take revenge, took from his pocket a pet tortoise, okay, and said, what must I pay for this, since you charge for all animals? See, what is the charge of this tortoise? I have a pet tortoise with me in my pocket. Okay, so that was the revenge grandfather wanted to take. Okay, then what happened? Let's see. The ticket collector looked closely at the tortoise. Prodded means pushed it with his forefingers, gave grandfather a pleased and triumphant look and said, no charge, it's not a dog. Okay, no need of charging, it's not a dog. Okay, he just pushed. Okay, tortoise not belong to dog. That is according to the ticket collector. Okay. On Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. Okay, that day grandfather visited the stable. To his surprise, he found Nana without apparent cause pulling at her halter and trying to keep her head as far as possible from the bundle of hair. He was keeping, he doesn't like the monkey. Okay, a strap or rope placed around the head of a horse or other animal used for leading or tethering. You see, say there will be a rope tied to the, that is called a halter. Okay, he was trying to keep her head as far as possible from the bundle of hair. See, because of this they cannot move so far, so he is keeping as far as he can. Okay, good. Okay, halter means a rope. Okay, tight. Or tethering means joining. Okay, understand? Grandfather gave Nana a slap across her haunches. Haunches means back. Okay, backside. He gave Nana a slap. Okay, he jerked back, dragging Toto with her. Okay, he had fastened on to her long ears with his sharp little teeth. Toto and Nana never became friends. See, this donkey was not ready to make friendship with the Toto, and they never became friends. All right. A great treat for Toto during cold winter evening was the large bowl of warm water given him by grandmother for his bath. Every time Toto was during winter season, Toto was given warm water to take bath. Okay, now he is very cunning. He would cunningly test the temperature with his hands. Once first he will touch and see the hot of the water, and then gradually step into the bath, first on one foot then other. Okay, until he was into the water up to his neck. Okay, then he had seen, the other used to do in this manner. He used to see the Ruskin bone doing in this way, so the monkey also did the same, imitating the other. All right. Once comfortable, he would take the soap into his hand or feet and rub himself all over. Now he will start rubbing his hands and feet using soap. When the water become cold, he would get out and run as quickly as he could to the kitchen fire. He will go to the kitchen fire in order to dry himself, because the water became cold. It's actually winter season, and he will go to the kitchen fire where he cook food. And also he goes there, he went there, and he used to dry himself. If anyone laughed at him during his performance, Toto Wheeling would be hurt, and he would refuse to go on with his bath. If anyone looks at his bath and laughs, he will stop. He doesn't like to continue his bath. He used to stop his bath. One day, Toto nearly succeeded in boiling himself alive. See what happened. A large kitchen kettle had been left on the fire to boil for tea, and Toto, finding himself with nothing better to do, decided to remove. Yes, let's see. There was a kettle was kept to make tea. Okay, it was kept on the fire and he removed the lid. Nothing was there for him to do. He was getting bored. Finally, the water just warm enough to bath. He understood that it is warm, so he thought of taking bath. He got into the water with his head sticking out from the open kettle. He put it out, or only head was out. Okay, sticking out from the open kettle. Okay, this was just fine for a while. After some time, the water started boiling. Okay, the boiled water, the hot was increasing. Toto then raised himself a little. Little raised himself and find outside was cold and he sat down again. Okay, continued hope up and down for some time because of Hodi jump when he wanted to come out, but it's very cold outside. He didn't come out. The grandmother arrived and Hold pulled him out. Hold means pulled him out with half boiled out of the kettle. The body, his color became half boiled. Okay, actually fire was going on and he was about to be boiled inside, so the grandmother saved him from the hot water. If there is a part of the brain especially devoted to mischief, that part was largely developed in Toto. See, we can say that the monkey was filled with the mischief. He had one part of the brain is just like a filled with mischief. Okay, he was always tearing things of pieces. He used to destroy things. Whenever one of my aunts came near him, see any aunts of Reskin Pond comes there, he made very effort to get hold of her dress and tear a hole in it. Every time he used to tear the dress of Aunt and hold made hold. One day at lunchtime, a large dish of pulao stood in the center of the dining table. He entered the room to find Toto stuffing himself with rice. My grandmother screamed, and Toto threw a plate at her. One of my aunts rushed forward and received a glass of water in the face. When grandfather arrived, Toto picked up the dish of pulao and made his exit to the window. Now, what happened? It was a naughty incident by the Toto, and the grandmother got a big hurt because the Toto has thrown a plate over her, and also has to face a glass of water on his face. Okay, now after that the Toto escaped with a dish of pulao. And he found him in the branches of the jackfruit. He found him in the branches of the jackfruit tree, the dish still in his arms. He remained there all afternoon, eating slowly through the rice, determined on finishing every game. And then, in order to spite means a desire to hurt, annoy, or offend someone. Okay, he wanted to spite. He was having anger against grandmother who had screamed at him. He threw the dish down from the tree and chattered. Okay, threw down the plate with anger. Sound made by the monkey. Chattering means sound made by the monkey with delight when it broke into 100 pieces. Now the plate became pieces and the monkey was very happy and made grandmother and grandfather very angry. Obviously, Toto was not the sort of pet he could keep for long. Even grandfather realized that they cannot keep Toto as pet because he was too naughty. And the grandfather realized that we were not well to do. Well to do means not so rich enough, not wealthy, and could not afford the frequent loss of dishes, clothes, curtains, and wallpapers. Everything was lost because of this. Toto and they were not wealthy enough. Okay, well to do means wealthy enough. So grandfather found Doga driver again and sold Toto back to him for only 3 rupees. He bought it for 5 rupees and gave back the monkey for 3 rupees. And with this story ended. And children, I think you understood the lesson. Go through the lesson, read the lesson, and understand it. Thank you.